Welcome, this is the iPhone 15 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's just open first the box. And we could see here the Type-C cable. So the new iPhone is with the Type-C port. So we got here only the cable, and also this paper works with the just guides, the Apple sticker, and also we got here the SIM eject tool. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave thumbs up and to subscribe our channel.